In this video, I will show you how to import journal entries into QuickBooks. First, on your QuickBooks dashboard, go to the Settings icon in the upper right corner. Now, select Import Data. Once you're in, click on the drop-down and choose Journal Entries. After that, click on Import. Here, you'll need to upload your CSV file. But before doing that, make sure your file includes the following fields: account, debits, credits, description, location, name, class, date, and journal number. These are important because QuickBooks requires certain fields to match its format in order to successfully import the data. Once you've uploaded your file, QuickBooks will map the fields to match your data. Make sure everything looks correct. If it does, scroll down and click Next. For the final step, click on Complete Import. And that's it. Your journal entries are now successfully imported into QuickBooks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.